Are you eager to enhance your English speaking skills effortlessly? Imagine mastering everyday conversations with confidence and ease. In today's video, we're diving into short dialogues designed to boost your fluency and pronunciation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this comprehensive practice session is tailored just for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Short dialogues are powerful tools in language learning. They mirror real-life interactions, allowing you to practice and internalize common phrases and responses. By engaging with these dialogues, you can improve your listening comprehension, pronunciation, and conversational flow. Plus, they provide context, making it easier to remember and use new vocabulary. Before starting, write in the comment which country's video you are watching. Let's dive into the dialogues.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
All right. Would you like regular milk or do you prefer a non-dairy option like almond, oat, or soy milk?
Oh, I didn't know you had those options. I'll go with oat milk, please.
Got it. And would you like any flavors in your latte? We have vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, or seasonal pumpkin spice.
Let's go with caramel. That sounds good.
Great choice. Do you want it sweetened or unsweetened?
Sweetened, please. Not too much, though.
Got it. One medium hot caramel latte with oat milk, lightly sweetened. Anything else for you today?
Actually, do you have any snacks? Maybe something light to go with the coffee?
Sure, we have muffins, croissants, cookies, and banana bread. We also have some gluten-free options if you're interested.
The banana bread sounds nice. Is it fresh?
Yes, it's baked fresh every morning. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please. Warm banana bread sounds perfect.
All right. Anything else I can get for you?
No, I think that's it. Thanks.
Okay, let me repeat your order to make sure I've got everything. One medium hot caramel latte with oat milk, lightly sweetened, and a warmed up slice of banana bread. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great, that'll be $7.85.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Would you like your receipt emailed or printed?
Emailed, please.
All right, can I get your email address?
abchotmail.com.
Got it. You should receive the receipt shortly. Here's your card back.
Thanks.
We'll have your order ready in just a couple of minutes. Feel free to wait at the counter or grab a seat.
I'll wait here. Thanks again.
You're welcome. By the way, we also have a rewards program if you're interested. You earn points for every purchase and get discounts on future orders.
Oh, really? That sounds good. How do I sign up?
It's simple. You just need to download our app or sign up on our website. Once you're signed up, just scan your app every time you make a purchase to earn points.
That's great. I'll definitely check it out.
Awesome. Your order should be ready shortly. Thanks for waiting. Here's your caramel latte and your warm banana bread. Let me know if you need anything else.
This looks amazing. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your coffee and have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Congratulations on completing this practice session. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and don't hesitate to revisit this video as often as needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning resources. Together, let's continue to improve and achieve our language goals. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.